was business as usual for Jennifer Garner Sunday as her ex-husband Ben Affleck makes headlines amid reported marital strife with Jennifer Lopez. Garner was clad in a casual ensemble on the weekend outing as she watched her son Samuel take part in a youth basketball game in Santa Monica, California for the second day in a row. Garner, who is mother to kids Violet, Serafina and Samuel with ex-husband Affleck, wore a beige sweater with blue jeans and brown loafers. The M-nominated Alias actress, who was also pictured at Lex over the weekend, donned dangling earrings and topped things off with a brown hat with a southwestern band with her straight brown locks cascading down. The 13 going on 30 star was seen helping her youngest child into the front seat of a waiting vehicle at the sporting event where Affleck and Lopez were also pictured in attendance on both Saturday and Sunday. Garner was pictured holding open a car door for Affleck's mother Christine Bolt on the weekend day. Garner and Lopez have been in regular contact amid Lopez's marital woes with Affleck, an insider told the reporter last month. Lopez has been confiding in Jen because she knows that she is one of the only people in the world who would understand what she is going through, a source told the reporter. The insider noted that Garner, who was wed to Affleck from 2005 until announcing their 2015 separation, has been through it with the same man herself. The source said that although the circumstances were quite different in Affleck's separate with Garner, he is still the same man and they both dealt with some of the same issues. Garner, who is in a romance with businessman John Miller, really does care about Lopez and wants to try and help them salvage their relationship for the greater good of Affleck and the extended family. Jen does not want Ben to pull the plug on this marriage, said the source. She did go to his house to talk to him about this and to try and keep the two of them together. Lopez was told several times by Jen how valued she is in all their lives, the source noted, adding she is one of the only women who can get through to Ben and keep him from jumping off the deep end with his addiction. A frustrated Affleck is running away because he does not have any escape from his problems, which fits with his past decision, the source said. The biggest fear right now is that he will start drinking again, and part of the reason Jen has been keeping tabs on him is to make sure this does not happen. The source added. Garner Paz shared the screen with her ex-husband in 2003, Daredevil, which arrived in theaters 6 months before Affleck and Lopez box office bomb Giggly was released. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.